Hello everyone, welcome once again on YouTube channel English with English. And just we have been learning English so much nicely. But today is my different content, different topic, only in the language of English. So my dear friend, I will talk about today the point of mine is success. Do you know what the meaning of success? Everybody know what the success is. Two things I will tell you in this video about success, and if you have and you can do, I will tell you no matter what you do, where you live and how you are living, whatever your circumstances is, that doesn't matter, you will 100% get success. So I will tell you, just be with me till in this video and you will know more about the success. Really, you will feel why people are so much fail and why much more people, less majority of people, they are success. So before diving in my content, I will really highly request you, my dear friend and my folks, just please hit the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel, where you will get a lot of learning English video and a lot of motivation as well towards your goal. And let's begin this content. So I will easily tell you the majority of people in any country in the world, they have dream and they want to achieve their dream, and that dream is only on the success of good people, success of great speaker, success of great communicator, success of businessman, success of engineer, success of entrepreneur, success of many things. Mean of that, they want to be luxurious life. Everything, whatever they want to get it. And I will tell you 100 out of 100%. Neither one person, nobody, just they don't want success. Everybody wants success. They have dream, they want success. The thing is that is complicated for us, but I will tell you, don't curse or don't blame your circumstances. Your circumstances is not good, you will not get success. That's not problem. Problem is something else, and I'm gonna talk about that problem. And what is that problem here? My dear friend, we have dream. The first, we have dream and we want to achieve our dream without any problem, without any challenges, without any trouble, and that's never gonna happen in anyone's life. If I'm sitting here, I'm talking here simply, so I have done many activities, I have did and done many practice, then I have been interacting you here through my video. So let's take example of mine. How do I come here and just I came to talk with you? How do I came here? Let's, my dear friend, let's talk about me, the pure reality of my life. This is the example of success. Okay, you will make understand of yourselves easily, simply. So I will tell you, 2 years ago I have made one commitment to learn this language so much clearly. Actually, I have been thinking, I had thinking to learn English for a long time, but 2 years ago I became serious. 1 year I have paid for listening and small talking as well, but within 1 year in 2022 to 2023, you can say that. And I decided I will talk people, I will do practice, because talking comes by talking. So I decided I will talk to, because I come from very rural area. Most of the people are educated, but they do not speak this language. They want government job, etc. They want a degree, etc. So I wanted to speak this language because my degree etc. was not good. So I wanted to talk in this language. I wanted to become great communicator. So what happened with me? I had no environment at all. So I just took the help of social media like Joe's Talk, Open Talk, I just ACE, Fluency, etc. So do you know biggest problem what is that with me and what happened with me in 1 year? My home in kind of village in UP, the district of Azamgarh, it's kind of in village, and where I live, the network, the data does not work. And network obviously work, but when you are opening data speed is not too good to use those kind of social media, which is the providing to you to me to talk to other people of India, other people of other countries. So there was some problem to me. Approximately 1.5 year, 1.5 year, I did practice of talking to a lot of stranger, lot of Asian and European people. How could I do, how could I talk, how can I make my communication better? I talked. Do you know how did I talk? That is actually struggle. I never talked any single conversation for 5 minutes or 5 seconds from my home, on my couch, or from my inside of home. Never ever. I only talked to people from outside. That was really crazy sound. Okay, when I was very beginner, I was talking 5 or 10 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour. As much as I did, my body started requiring a lot, 3 hour, 4 hour to talking stranger. But all this talk, all these activities, all these communications I did from outside, not from anyone home, under tree, on the pond, on the canal, on the road, in the field, like a kind of village lover who talked to people, who talked to his girlfriend, I think somewhere else, alone, from far from other people, who other people can't see him. I did this kind of practice 1.5 year. Do you believe? 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour maximum. Like I am crazy about this language, because I know the mantra of success of this language. No practice, no talking, no more dedications, no more success in my life. No matter what happened with me, but I never missed out my single day practice to talking stranger on any topic. Whether they're abusing me, they want to talk to me, they don't want to talk to me, that was depend on them. And most probably what happened with me, do you know? I never avoided a single person in my life, whether he's a beginner or advanced. Never. Just what I decided by myself. Today I have to talk people 1% better than before, only to myself. No matter what my opponent is talking, that doesn't matter. I have to understand them, but I have to work on my accent, my fluency, and my word, and my all the face activities of body languages. I only care. I did every single day practice, every single day, no matter what circumstances happened with me, that I didn't care. Wherever I was going in relations, because I'm villager, so I do not have any routine. When, where, how where I will go, I do not have. So wherever I was going, I was staying outside of my home. I started calling, I started talking alone. Nobody surrounded me who can listen me, because I was thinking, if I'll talk between them, the stranger will cut my call. I was fearing about them. 1.5 years I did practice 2 to 3 hours. Now I do 3-4 hours every single day talking to stranger, because no one is with me to talk with me. No one. Look at that. I'm at my home. The day is so hot, so muggy, no fan at all. Just my t-shirt is that going to drench by my sweat. Okay, so what I'm talking about, friend, you have here on conclusion, I'm gonna tell you, you have the dream, you want to get your dream. The success is your dream, not mine. How much strong just your success is, how far your success is, you have to follow it, you have to chase it, and you have to become. When you will become, you will get as strong success you have, as much you will appreciation from other people. But I have one things to tell you, for what I have made my video. This video, for these 2-3 lines, I have made it for you. It's my own experience, my dear friend. Just see it. No matter what your circumstances is, no matter what happening with you, no matter what is going on with your family, no matter you are eating or not, no matter you have clothes or not, no matter you are healthy or you are sick, that doesn't matter. You are in trouble or not, what is your problem, that doesn't matter. What happening with your family, your friends, your colleagues in your life, everything is irrelevant for your success. Everything. The success only asks one thing: avoid your entire problem one side, but chase me every single day. There is hurricane, there is disaster, any kind of earthquake, whatever happening in your village or in your life, in your family or entire world, that is really doesn't matter. That only matter what you have done for your success today will be your tomorrow. Hope so you understanding what I'm trying to say. There is no more excuses is allowed to pursue, to chase, to become success in your life. So please understand me. That's why I told my story. Really, I cared. If I want to talk, if I want to YouTube it, if I want to be something in my life, so that doesn't matter what happening with you. You have to do practice, practice, practice and practice. Not only language, anywhere in the world, whatever you want to get success. It is not motivations of only English language, not really. Anything. Think about it. If you don't chase your success, if you don't chase your process, how will you success? How will you? A small and quick example I'm gonna tell you. Here I'm sitting and I want to go 100 meter far, little bit 100 meter far. I want to go. I do not have leg. My circumstances is so damaged, so much damage. Could I reach there without walk or without somebody convey me there? Never. That 100 meter will never gonna to complete ever by my any strategy, by my any trick, any trip, never ever at all. So if I want to cover 100 meter, so if somebody will convey me there, that is okay. Or I have to walk anyhow, I have to creep, I have to walk, I have to run, whatever I have to, just but I have to do, then I will reach there, friend. There is no more excuses. Hope so my word, my messages, my ideas are you understanding. So make a strong commitment in your life and just move on. Someday too much, someday little bit, someday in, I think, middle of quantity, but move every single day. Don't quit your single day in your life, otherwise that day is not gonna come and you will miss it out your practice and you will not be good in future. This is my message, and if you will follow, no matter what happening with you, at the end of the day, what you have done for your success, you care, you understanding, you have done something, you will definitely pass in your life one day. If you do not do a small activities entire day for your success, you must think about it. Without taking a step, nothing gonna happen in our life. This is my message. Let's meet tomorrow, and here I will tell you goodbye and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.